Out of Toronto against Bobby Taylor out of Millgrove. Bobby gets stumped from the
Hello and welcome back to another monthly car review. We're going to keep it pretty simple this month. I just wanted to do just a walk around of the car. I haven't done this in a while. I just waxed it, so it should look pretty good. Not a ton to report. I am going to add a bunch of stickers, which I know, oh my god, more stickers, this guy and his stickers. But the sponsors have been great. They've been getting me lots of pretty wicked accessories for the car, as you can tell. Splash guards by ACS, looking unbelievable. They're a super great addition, especially since I've been going to the drag strip and really letting the car loose a little bit. It's been quite nice to have, a little bit comforting for me. I never did end up rebadging the car. It just, I don't know, I guess it kind of grew on me, so I left it. The vinyl, I'm loving the theme more and more actually, because I've been getting some rolling shots of the car at the drag strip, and just seeing this thing actually like in its environment, prowling like it's supposed to be, has made me pretty freaking happy and really made me appreciate what the theme does and how the theme really stands out against other Camaros, other Mustangs, all these different cars with all these different mods. The black rims are spectacular. The blue bow ties truly are something special. Since the last monthly review, I have added the ZL1 tow hook with GoPro mount. That's how I've been filming all the drag racing as well, which has made me pretty freaking happy. Literally just the most unbelievable footage has come out of that that one little device, which is pretty great, and I have more plans for it, and more things are going to be coming down the line, which also again makes me pretty happy. What else have I done? I blacked out right here. I never did make a video of it. I'm kind of over making videos every time I add a sticker. And I'm getting the car ready for a big show right now. I am going down to the GM power plant show in St. Catharines on Friday, August 10th, which I did go to last year, and I met some cool people. Mike 14 Bumblebee was there. Didn't meet him, seen his car, loved his car, but I did meet up with him later when he came out to one of my channel meets that he's seen on the forums, which is pretty wicked. Met a lot of really cool people, so I'm hoping to go back down, get parked, situated, and cozy with them, and see how things go. But the car's just literally unbelievable. I'm also filming with my new microphone. I've been trying to, yeah, I know, it's dirty. Should dirty inside. But the interior of this car is absolutely spectacular. I love it more and more. We're approaching 40,000K. I believe I just rolled 38. Still got that carbon fiber on the center console. Not loving it, and it will come off at some point, but I was going to show you guys my helmet. It does stay in the car basically permanently at this point. Subwoofer's been disconnected because of severe droning issues due to active noise cancellation, but it is going to get up and running hopefully today. I do have the part for it, and that'll be a separate video so that we can keep on topic and keep on keeping on like we do. The car is just beautiful. I really do feel humbled and blessed that I'm able to own it. The only thing I ask for you guys is, if you're liking the videos, you're liking the content, I need to get the channel growing. It needs to expand a little bit quicker than it is, so I can keep going to the drag strip and keep doing some of the stuff and get more stuff going. I have lots planned, but I think that was well timed and well worth the effort. This car runs at 12.7, as you've seen it, 4 runs in a row or 3 runs in a row. It's absolutely unbelievable that GM can make a car that a guy like me, who has absolutely no idea how to drive it, can go to the drag strip and put down some hella impressive numbers and really set the stage for his own growth and endeavors. It was something special. And huge shout out to the engineers that made this possible. Huge shout out to Stow and Show. I do want to talk about them for a moment. You guys know my plate's pretty crumpled here, but they are one of the most underappreciated mods on the market because they do look absolutely great. They don't really get any love because when it's off the car you don't even see it. You don't even know you have a plate, and I get a lot of people asking me where my plate went. So yeah, just unbelievable. I'm hoping to work with Wildhammer Motorsports in the future. They've got some cool new products coming out. I'd love to make some videos for them, and it's just wicked stuff. Again, I appreciate all the support. It's been an incredible month. Highs, lows, everything in between. Next month is going to be no slouch, and we're going to have even more fun. I'm going on a road trip to Wisconsin. I'm going to go to the Milwaukee Harley-Davidson Museum, which will be just absolutely life-changing. Hopefully get some new tires on the car before that. Been having issues getting tires because of the size and whatever, but I'm working on it. And I think that's it. Till next time, drive safe, take care, behave as always. Thank you for supporting the channel. Smash that like button, subscribe if you like what you're seeing. There's a lot more to come. Till next time, take care.